Well, hey, cousins, nieces, and nephews. So I am back with another cooking video. And today we are going to be cooking chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. And if you heard me the first time, it's chicken and rice. So let's get started. Okay, so I got my chicken legs. They all clean and they ready to go. So the first thing we gonna do, we about to season these bad boys. Y'all ready? Of course, I don't know why I got this here, but we gonna start with my Morton's Seasonall. Oh yeah, got to have it. Now, here's the thing. This is a dish that is going to be boiled. Now, I am going to use some chicken broth, but you're going to have to use some water at some point. And since you're going to be boiling your dish, I'm not going to tell you to over season it, but you better put some flavor up in there for real. Because if not, your pot going to be bland. Okay? Next, I got me some Mrs. Dash chicken. Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning, but let me open it because I'm just realizing this is my new one. Give me a minute, y'all. Got my Mrs. Dash chicken. There, right there. Yeah. I'm going, and now let's keep in mind, Mrs. Dash does not have pretty much no salt in it. So, you know, you can use quite a bit in there. That's enough. Now I got good grief. Got me sneezing already. Okay, now I have, let's see what I want to use. My onion powder. I don't need too much of that, but it's good to have because I do want to get that onion flavor in there. Okay? Yeah, make sure you season it's good. I don't know who it is calling me, but they better go on somewhere. Now you want to use your garlic powder. Now, if you don't watch any of my videos, you already know how I feel about garlic. So, it is what it is. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of complete seasoning. Yeah. That don't have too much salt in it either, so it is what it is. Now, I got my roasted garlic. Excuse me, y'all. And no, I ain't coughing over the food. And it's for me, so it'll be all right if I do. But don't you cough over yours. And of course, y'all already know I got to have my Tony's. Got to have my Tony's. Yeah. But see, my children and my friend guy, they don't really like spicy food. So I can't put too much Tony's in there, but I can put just enough. And to give it some real flavor, I'm going to go with me some thyme. I love thyme in my food. Love, 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 love it. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go with me some of that there. So, that's the seasonings that I'm going to use. I already know it ain't all the time I feel like cutting up no onions and bell pepper. Therefore, we're going to use some seasoning blend. And see, this is chicken and rice. You don't want to put too much in there to overpower your pot. But thank goodness, most of the time when you buy your vegetables frozen, they already blanched. So you ain't got to worry about them overpowering your pot. They're going to give you just enough flavor. Just enough. Okay, now I'm going to go in with me about a quarter stick of butter. I got my butter in there. Now I gotta get my chicken broth. Give me a minute. Alrighty. I'm gonna sprinkle me some chicken broth on top of all of that there. On top of all that goodness. But I am also, I done sprinkled it all over myself and everything. What's wrong with me? I'm gonna use me some chicken bouillon. Yeah, got me a cube of that there. And I'm gonna crush mine up a little bit. All through there. I'm gonna take it through there. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna get me another one of them. Y'all give me a quick second. Let me pull me another one down. Yeah, I had to get me another one. I'm gonna crush that up in there. Oh, child, look how good that look. Come on in the room. Hey, come on in the room. Look at it. Look. That's going to be a good part right there. But first, we got to put our water in it because let's remember, it has to boil. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I done added in my water. Y'all see how much water I got. Now, let me just give you a little tip right quick. Anytime you boiling something, whether it be grits, rice, chicken, meat, whatever, anytime you are boiling and you are using water, even if it's just a little bit of water, you're going to need some salt. Do not eliminate using salt. It ain't got to be a lot. It can be just a little, but don't eliminate using salt. So I'm going to put me a little salt in here just to be on the safe side, because I know when I first started cooking, that used to happen to me, and I used to be wondering, I done put all this seasoning in my pot. Why is it still not giving off no flavor? That water, for some reason, it just overpowers. So put you a little salt in there. But what I did, like y'all let me forget to put the pepper. Okay. I don't remember putting no pepper in here. But then too, I did sneeze earlier. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to add me a little bit more. Now, we finna sit this on the stove. And I'm going to let this boil for about an hour. We ain't going to let it boil on high. We going to let it boil about, at a medium. Because it is chicken. So we're going to let it boil for about an hour. And we're going to add our rice. This is going to be a good pot. Okay? So, y'all, get your plate ready. And I got you. Okay? Okay, so this is what my pot looks like right before I am about to cover it up and let it boil. Alright. Like my daddy used to say, whoop, there it is. Let's get it on. Well, y'all, my chicken is pretty much done. Okay, so as I said earlier, we're going to do this the easiest way. And the easiest way will be to transfer your chicken over to a dish. And then put your rice in. Let the rice cook. And then put your chicken back in there. Now, I'm going to take my chicken off the bone, because that's just how my folks like it. I like it on the bone, but it's all good. I might leave one on the bone just for myself. But normally, I put the rice in the chicken, let it cook together. But today, I am busy doing some other things. So, I'm going to put my rice in separate. And I'm going to sit this to the side. Well, I'm actually going to break it up. Then I'm going to sit this to the side while my rice is cooking. So, time to add the rice. So, here's my rice. I done washed it about 3 times. I'm going to add that on in there. Now, I can already tell that I'm going to need a little bit more water to get this done. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need me a little more water for this part, which it ain't no problem, because I really got enough seasoning in it, so I should be good. Give me a minute, y'all. Let me get my water. All right, I done got my rice in the pot, so now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to cut that down and let it cook. And in the meantime, I'm going to shred up my chicken. Okay? I'll be back. So I totally forgot to tell y'all which kind of rice I use. And I use this, the Mahatma. That's what I like. Okay? Love it. Only thing about it, you're going to have to wash it 2 or 3 times before you use it. So that's what is in my pot right now. And it is cooking. I'm going to show it to y'all. It's cooking down too. Now, normally you ain't supposed to take the top off your pot. But just for y'all, I'm going to take it off and let y'all see. Okay, so now my rice is done, and I am going to add my chicken so we can have this all going on. Well, cousins, nieces, and nephews, our chicken and rice is finally complete. And y'all already know what we about to do. We about to taste it. Pull up a chair. Come on. Let's eat. All right. It's time to taste. Oh, goodness. It's full of chicken, too. And it's hot. Oh, wow. It is seasoned perfectly. Yes, Jesus loves me. Oh, yes, Jesus loves me. Oh, child. Yes, Jesus loves me. For the Bible tells me so. God, that's good. Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh, that's good. And the rice is perfect. Oh, yes. It's not dry. It's not mushy. It's perfect. Oh, yes. Jesus loves me. Yes. Jesus loves me. For the Bible tells me so. Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. And this is the easiest way to do it. Y'all get into it. Chicken and rice, one pot. All you gotta do is cook you some vegetables. Some green beans, sweet peas, fry some squash, whatever you want to do. But this chicken and rice, you ain't gonna go wrong. And your folks gonna love it. Get into it. Chicken and rice. See y'all later. And make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Okay. See y'all later.